In this lesson, I will explain to you how to interpret charts or graphs to find median, mean, mode, and range. So first, we will discuss the median. What is the median of the numbers, right? So median is the central value or the middle value of all the numbers. Suppose this is the chart or a table. These are the names. Suppose A has 24 candies, B has 65 candies, C has 90 candies, and so on. So first you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order or descending order, and then the middle one you have to find out which number comes in the middle, that is called the median. So when the numbers are arranged from least to greatest, right, from in ascending order or descending order, the median is the number in the middle. So these are the 7 numbers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you have to arrange these numbers in order. So the first is 24, then is 45, then is 65, and so on, 70, 87, 90, and 95. So which number comes in the middle? 70 comes in the middle. These are the odd numbers. These are the 7 numbers total. So we will leave 3 numbers here on the right side, 3 on the left side. Middle is 70. If it is odd, it is very easy, the center one or the middle one. But if the numbers are even, these are odd numbers, 7 numbers. If I add one more number here, suppose I have added 100 here. Now it is even. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when there are even numbers, always 2 numbers will come in the middle. So in the middle, 70 and 87, these 2 number comes in the middle. You have to add these 2 numbers and divide it by 2, which is equal to 157 divided by 2 and equal to 78.5 is the median. If it is an odd number, there should be only 1 number in the middle, that is called the median. If it is the even numbers, always 2 numbers will be in the middle, then you have to divide by 2 in order to find out the median. Now is the mode. So you have to find out the mode with the help of this graph. So what is actually mode? The mode is the number that appears most often. First you should know how to read these graphs. See, these are the pizza sales. Suppose on Wednesday, pizza sales are 40, on Thursday 20, Friday 60, and so on, right? So these are the points. So you have to find out, or you have to read the numbers from the line graph. Now count how many times each number appears. So see, 20 appears only 1 time, 60 appears only 1 time, 70 sales of pizza only 1 time, that is on Sunday, but 40, 40, 40, 3 times. So I told you the mode is the number that appears most often, and 40 appears 3 times, so 40 is the mode. Now is median in the form of graph. So this is the number of balls and these are the kids. When the numbers are arranged from least to greatest, the median is the number in the middle. Again, same thing, but you should know how to read this graph. So see, Ash has how many balls? He has 28 balls. Ruby has 43. Carla has 60, right? So in this way you can read the graph. Then you have to arrange this number from least to greatest. So this one is the least, 25, Raj. And then this point, 28. And then 43, Gina. Then 45, and the last is 60. So again, these are 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is very easy to find the median, the center number. Always keep in mind, in order to calculate the median, you have to arrange the numbers. So this one, the first 25, 28, 43, 45, 60, and 43 comes in the middle, so 45 is the median. Now is the range. So first I will explain you again what is range, The range is the difference between the greatest number and the least number. And this is the graph, right? We can take the same example of the pizza sales. Suppose on Monday there are, I think, 53, approximately 54 pizzas are sale. On Tuesday 32, and then is 22, and so on. So you should know how to read the graph first. These are the numbers, these are the numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers are there. So the highest number, this one, the greatest number is 54 and the least number is 12. And I told you the difference between the greatest number and the least number is called the range. So 54 minus 12 equal to 42. This is called the range. Now is the mean. The mean is the average of the numbers. You find the mean by adding the numbers together and then dividing by the number of numbers in the group. Now what does it mean? So first you have to know how many numbers are there. These are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 graph lines, bar lines. So these are the numbers. And then you have to read A. Suppose A has 30 candies, this one. B has 25 candies. C has 64 candies, and this so on, right? And then 44, 24, and 20. So you have to all add these numbers divided by 6 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 207, the total of these numbers are 207 divided by 6. So the mean is 34.5. So in this lesson, you have learned how to interpret graph or charts in order to find out mean, median, mode, and range. If still you have any question, please write down in the comment section and I will try my best to answer it. But please do not forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, SciMy Academy, and thanks for watching it.